Harvest. Hey, little harvest, man. Napambana. Harvest. Okay. Hambe. So speed, man. Listen, boy. Harvest. Sebenza. Basokola nge-transport mna. Ndinehamba.
Bukeli xa uva igaba elithi sharp ne uvele ube nombilini kuthi vuleka mhlaba ndingene kuba yeyi awuzifuni ukuzibhaqa sela ungusis Joyce. Waziwa ke ngelika Sis Maria, igqwirha eloyikwayo lasemmelwaneni lixhaphaza ummelwane wakhe. Uzenzele uduma ke phaa kwiqonga lika TikTok nalapho enabalandeli abangapha yake 1.2 million. Elokusabela ke ngu-Thato Joseph Mashifane noyinzalelwane yaseMpumalanga. Sawuncokola naye siqonde malunga nohambo lwakhe nezicwangciso zakhe. Hayi mbukeli ndithi mna zenzele ifavor ungalijiji qhosha kuba sele ngqangile uSis Maria akukho tu kubuyela ngasemva. Ndiyancancazela.
Shem. Sizawuthini?
Sizawuthola
shem.
Ungathethi into kodwa ke Sis Maria.
Okay, sizawuthola.
Ndiyavolontiya nalapha.
Okay, shem.
Ndiyavolontiya Sis Maria.
Uyavolontiya?
Wanisebenzi apha.
Akho ngxaki shem. Andithathi excuse mna ne.
Ungandifake elistini.
Ndizawuyenza iplan shem. Lephi nale ncwadi yam ndibhala kuyo into zam. But ndizakufaka apha emqondweni. Boma 16 May ne undi-expect. Sizawubana uba uzayifuna.
Hayi ndilisosha kodwa ke mna Sis Maria soze.
Yandidutsa ne.
Sis Maria.
Ndiyadutseka apha ne.
Hayi Sis Maria.
Akho ngxaki sizawubona.
Ndenze ntoni ndingathumela imali ungayenzi lento?
Undwendwela ifavor shem, account number yam uyayazi kaloku.
Yho.
Faka ne. Faka noba yintoni man, ufake man, ufake kube kuninzi man.
Zawufaka Sis Maria. Masikomtyele ekhaya Jikelele.
Ndiyabulela shem.
Unjani?
Right, ndim la ndibona kaloku ndililady mna.
Ndiyakubona.
Shem. Right shem, ngava wena shem.
Hayi ndi-right mna ndithi yonke into sesisi-right ngokuthina sobabini.
Shem.
Akusekho nto.
Shem.
Naguess uthi shame. Sis Maria, uzenzele udumo kwiqonga lika TikTok. So andazi noba ndithi Sis Maria noba ndithi Thato, but uzenzele udumo. Ndiyafuna uqonda into yobana ucreate i-content kaSis Maria. Yintoni ye-inspiration mhlawumbe ngumakhulu wakho?
Yeah. So into eyenzekileyo ne eziphensi uba kune-bullying eqhubekayo phaa man ku-Maria uyabhulisha phaa uJoyce uthwele ubunzima. So this is what was happening when I was young from my neighbor, of which is my relative as well. So we had this bullying umama notata ne-neighbor yam, of which they are a family yam as well. And as babe babangantoni. Growing up, we were involved in the had something to fight about, so it was just like dirty bullying, and then plus we asked kaloku siphilana nabantu sham, so I had to ban spice kancinci la way ngenza content and man yahamba sham.
Yahamba content and yazi I think xa wenza udetailer from your own experience wazi kanye kanye into okubana kunje kuthini ngoku ke nini umntana abantu
so unfun
kuyode kube nini
kaloku naye akandiyeki nayo busy nami kaloku ndizamyekela ntoni sham uJoyce sham ajoyisana sham
ubandla umntana womntu
uzandifumana kakuhle and kulo nyaka ndiqwadile sham
and une-list yakho
ndine-list uthenge enye imoto futhi uzandifumana
Joyce hayi if bendingobenza vele ndithuthe ndiye kwenye indawo ndiyafuna uqonda into yobana uye wathandwa kakhulu just few months 1.2 million viewers and abantu bathi hayi jonga siyaqala uthanda umthakathi njengawe uthando Sis Maria olufumane ebantwini amsho ngoku ndithe ubona uhleli phaya ne-guest room wonke umuntu uthi xa ithi qhwi uqala oyike kodwa athi yu Sis Maria ikwenza uzive njani nje loo nto?
Nam ndoyika sham. Ndoyika because andijwayelanga kabe yabo. So it's been 2 months this thing is happening. So ndoyika at the same time I'm happy because I feel like I've been gunning for this for a very long time and now it's happening. I'm very much happy and excited. Appreciation. Right sham.
Alright, uzawusuyeke nothakatha ke kuba sowuthandwa ngokufuna ntoni impumelelo nansi lapha.
Yo, ndingahlukana nomsebenzi wami. Ngahlukana wona nomsebenzi wami.
Hayi. Ndiyafuna uqonda ke ngoku size kuThato. Abantu abaninzi bakwazi ezo Sis Maria. Kodwa zikhona izinto ozenzayo ndiyeva apha into bana ukwanguye no-music producer. Khawusinabisele ngezinto ozenzayo.
Now I'm switching to Undwendwe mode. Yes.
Yes.
Undwendwe is a guy from Denelton, as you said. So Undwendwe is a guy who started making music, I think, from my mother's womb, I would say that. So I started making music before the content. I didn't even know that I can do acting. I was just making music, that's all. We started music, I think it was 2010. Yeah, and then we made our first greatest hit in 2014. I cannot mention the names now, but that was the greatest hit. And from there, despite the music, the music, I also do in producing, beat making. I also can write. Yeah, I write as well.
Wow.
I write as well. Since now I'm a director for Sis Maria, Joyce, Amahle, Sive, and all of that. Yeah.
Take us through behind the scenes because bendithetha neteam yakho phaa eGasroom bayathi into yobana yo akunzima urekhode Sis Maria kuvele kuhlekwe ii-retake zingaka. Ndiyafuna njeni into yobana kuba thina sibona seyigqityiwe i-content seyiphayana. Take us through the production side.
The production side, yeah. It's nice, but it's actually draining at the same time because when we start shooting videos, we don't play, we work. We work very hard. From 5, we are awake. We're just sitting, pray around whatever time is tandazangayo, and then we start working, maybe start shooting around 7 or 8. Then we're gonna finish maybe ngabo 5 Iindaba, depending how tired we are, but we start working very early, very early. We don't play. Siyasebenza shem.
Hey,
we don't play. And we drop videos. Back then, we used to drop like 6 videos per day.
Yeah.
You understand? That's hard work. We have to shoot. Along the process of shooting, you know, there's mistakes, retakes, everything there, but we make sure per day we have 6 videos that we post. I make videos today, subtitles, because we have fans from overseas of which they don't understand language as Xhosa. We have to we have to accommodate everybody. It's the subtitles, the sound, the background sound that you hear. You can hear if lots of the skits.
Yeah.
Anama sound, the cars passing by. That's originality that surrounds the video to be like live and like
the wet drop.
Yes, bring the video to man, the nature. Man, this thing is real. It's happening.
Yo.
It's going on. So it's very much hard work, but we're used to it.
Yeah, no, I must really commend Senzo mhle kakhulu umsebenzi enwenzayo because nyani you bring it to life. Nomuntu obukele uyaqonda obana chonga ndiyasola into obana yi-full-time job le kaSis Maria. And enye into abantu abangayazi kukuba you have Ancestral calling.
Yeah.
And I mean it's surprising bana ngoku okay u-actor as igqwirha. Ndiyafuna uqonda into yobana ngaphambi kokuba uqale le content yintoni mhlambe owayenza because Senzo ungathunuka amadlozi wenza izinto ezinje.
I would like to believe like this. Yeah, speaking on the ancestral calling, it's been there. You know, because I like to research more. When they told me that I have an ancestral calling, it made me want to go and understand deep that where do it comes from. Is it from my mom, from my dad, and who is the person in me? I had to go deep and understand so that if I start to pave that road, and I know I'm using the correct direction. So I didn't put so much attention on the ancestral calling because I didn't understand. Until let me say last year. That's when I started to understand that okay, this thing is within me. There's nothing I can do about it. I just have to do. It's nothing bad.
Yeah.
It's nothing bad. It's just my ancestors wanting me for whatever, and they blessing me what they in return they give, and they gave me this in return. And I'm not even done. Exactly.
Yes.
I'm not even done. I'm still gonna do more what they want from me. You understand? But I haven't twassed. I didn't go, you know, because we have people with a for initiation. Myself, I'm a self-initiate. I do everything in I have to be told by dreams, you have to do this, do that, but they haven't said anything on the content. The content, I would like to think, maybe it's the angel spirit together with them telling me, because I've been doing a content, there was no Maria, it was just me making content about anything. So came a day where I chose to faga Ekhaya on my face, faka esisigqoko, and my mom did this. by
Yes,
the
yes,
way.
abona silahlekile ke ndikuxolele isigqoko kodwa hey ositholile. Ositholile.
Yes, and I did exactly that. It came in my
Yeah.
mind. I believe with the spirit comes in different ways. So me thinking that apply color mind, it's the spirit communicating with me. You understand? So it just-
Thokoza. Siyathokoza lapho. Ndiyafuna ukuqonda into yobana istory sika Sis Maria sizo unfolda njani. Sizambona Sis Maria eguquka okanye umthakathi forever.
We're working on that. It's not easy because we've been thinking about it. You know, we have to give people a different side of Maria because the perspective of Maria is to educate people, them, and at the same time entertain them and show them that there's these people and you know them. Exactly.
Balapha.
Yes. So now, we're facing difficulties in terms of scripting down to change Maria into good terms and it's hard. But I believe. I believe. Yeah, I believe when time goes by, sizaba nendlela ukuthi soguqula Maria, because we also have like different characters and the series coming in, so Maria has to, at least change.
Hey, and sendimbona umSamaria onguMaria bethunana sonke simlindile. Ndiyafuna yazi umbuzo otshotshe enhlo bizwa ngabantu kakhulu kukuba isiXhosa. Ithini indaba yakho nesiXhosa?
Xhosa, my uncle is married to a Xhosa woman from Ekoloni. Yes, Ekoloni. So they lived in Davidton for a couple of years, and then they moved to Dennilton. So I used to visit them since they are around. I visit them in Labahlala Kona. And then along there, she's always talking, yeah, better when I tap in Zantoni, yeah, Zapa, yeah, so woman, yeah. So I was like, this is nice. I need to learn that. And from there, I was just going in. And, I'm not even good. I'm able to match the accent a bit.
No, you are good. You are
I am.
perfect.
Thank you.
Sis Maria siyaqonda obana oku kuvule kakhulu empilweni yakho. Ndiyathanda nje uthi qoba abantu benzele ifavor nje ufumane kaphi bakwazi ukulandela rho.
Okay, go social medias, right? Facebook and Instagram. Oh, Facebook and TikTok is the same username. Together with Twitter is Thato. Thato. And I would like to mention this part because there's people creating fake accounts, so people should be out. I'm a followers that I have on Facebook. It's 490-something thousand on Facebook, and then yes, succeeding. We are getting there. Yes. And then Twitter. I'm not sure about Twitter, but you're gonna see this if this is an official account. Sis Thato. Yes, you wanna see that. And then Instagram is Thato. Thato. TikTok is Thato. It's the same as TikTok, Facebook and Twitter. Instagram is Thato. You're gonna see in a corner 7.
Yes, 1.2 ku TikTok.
Million on TikTok.
Wow. Siqolelene sobabini.
Akho ngxaki mina andazi, but for now it's fine.
No, siqolelene. Ndifuna nje uvume phambi kwesihlele zabantu ba akho nto phakathi kwethu.
Akho nto ne. Akho nto shams zawuthini. Akho nto.
Yho, hayi. Sawuphumla ndazi phi. Lo mbukeli ebesithetha naye nguye uSis Thato owaziwa kaloku ngegama lika Thato. NguSis Maria ke bayambiza once wathi sharp ne hayi yazi bakuphelile mbukeli kodwa ke ndicela usenzele ifavor apha ekhaya Jikelele uhlale njalo ubukele kuba uba ubukeli uzawugagana naye uSis Maria masithi qhi evenkileni ubukeli qiniseka into yokuba awugungqi uhleli nathi apha ekhaya.
Bese hlukana nakundi test. Awukwazi promotion imoto umntana wakho ukumetric usive usevasity ngoku ugqiba uthenga impahla in a 1 month Joyce uyanditesta wena uyanditutsa sakusida kakuhle susakusida ngathi uyaphambana nami nizawuphuma kuwo unimamela. Ewe ndikumamela. Ewe. Sharp ne. Joyce. Ndithi sharp ne. Sharp.